Some temperate region trees are hundreds of years old. These exceptional trees live only in the ancient forests. But sadly, there are fewer and fewer of them left in France. In all types of forest, young and old, the fall benefits the growth of plants, which need a damp climate. Acorns fall when they are ripe. They contain lots of...
The county government of Nyeri, with approval of His Excellency the Governor, Mutahi Kahiga, has granted 100% waiver on all interest and penalty accrued on all outstanding land rates. Property owners in Nyeri County are advised to take advantage of the waiver period that starts from 30th June 2023 and ends on 28th July 2023 on condition that the principal rates are paid in full. Property owners are advised to obtain invoices from the Sub-County Revenue Office where the property is located and make payment by depositing cash or banker's check to a bank account. Take notice that once the waiver period lapses, the county government will institute all necessary measures to recover any unpaid rates and penalties, including repossessing the property.
Na mamwe mamaria tukuharireirie ni ati maguta ma betoro kugwa na mang'otore manini guku dithero na maguta ma tawa makigwa na shilingi 1 na shilingi 4 kiromaniririo.
Ngomba serikali mwapigana pombe haramu na ni mzuri, hata sisi wenyewe hatuitaki. Warakini acheni kuharibu mali za watu.
Muigana wa indo uria utari urakurekana guthukangio mwena wa Kang'aita guku ni kaunti ya Meru higo ya miugururio ya gwethana na njohi ngananie.
I am aware, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a serious problem of students who have not traveled for their overseas studies.
Jikanirio ya miario guthamaka utongori-ini wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ni kumana na mubango wa githomo uria wambiriirio ni thirikari hituku. Tariki ni 15 na mweri wa mugwanja mwaka wa 2023 ni muhuko wakwa ate muthenya waku ni uragutwarithia wega na atiri nganjire honani ni ndagikarira gite kio memerekia ni gukumenyithia maria mari ku thiini ria iriko ya mohoro na gitio kinene riu gikunyita ugeni metha-ini itu ya mohoro guku ni kwa Muthingi TV. Umemerekia uyu uragukinyana na njira ya imwe kwa imwe live transmission ni kuma guku mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi ko gwitikira kwani na ithu kuri mano Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, kule mwana wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV. Wona watu tigira ndumiri ya kuguiko ni tuko tukimiamukira na gitio kinene ru gumenyithia maria mari ku thiini ria iriko ya mohoro mahinda mothe tugicemania nawe na ujite Kariuki wa Nduati atiri nganje iriho ni gukorwo ngitika na gitio kinene tukianjiriria mohoro maitu ni atena ruru rwa kuramata Mathogora ma maguta gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na makĩria rwa IPRA nĩ rũrĩkĩtie kwanĩrĩra thogora mwerũ wa maguta na marĩa mathiĩte na mbere na gũtumũra ngũĩro hamwe na meciria matiganĩte gatagatĩ ka Akenya. Thogora wa petrol rĩu nĩrĩkĩtie kũgũa mang'otore maigana ũna gũkũ namo maguta ma dithero hamwe na petrol makĩgũa na ciringi ĩmwe maya mokĩte rĩrĩ kana maya mokĩte rĩrĩ ka rũhonge rwa IPRA rũthiĩte na mbere na gũkĩrĩrwo na makĩria kumana na kwambatĩra kwa ngarama nene ya maguta ĩrĩa icũngĩrĩirie nginyagia ngarama ya mũtũrĩre gũkorwo ĩkĩambatĩra guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Aya ucio ni thogora mwerũ wa maguta no ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩanĩrĩrwo nĩ rũhonge rwa IPRA na rũrĩa rũkoragwo rũkĩramata mathogora ma maguta gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Thikĩrĩria riboti ya haha atongoria kanitha na makĩria kuma dinarĩ ya wiki harĩ kana president ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩmona kĩhonia gĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mĩrũrũngano ĩrĩa ĩratabanio guothe bũrũri-inĩ yakorwo ĩkĩhorohio itemi-inĩ rĩao kana itemi-inĩ rĩake gũkorwo makiunanĩra njũng'wa na mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja ya Kedi nĩ matarĩirie atĩ nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kuoneka kana kuona wanangĩki wa indo na ũthũkangia wa indo cia mũingĩ, makiuga atĩ ũndũ ũyũ rĩu gũcokerera mũingĩ kuona atĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ũthũkangia ta ũyũ wa mũingĩ ũrutaga makĩhũthĩra kũrĩha nĩ morĩtie President William Ruto gwetha kĩhonia gĩa gũtigĩrĩra ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wakorwo ũkĩhorerio. Rĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ĩno ya Azimio yugĩte atĩ kwanjĩrĩria mũthenya wa gatatũ kiumia gĩũkĩte kana mũthenya wa Wednesday kiumia gĩũkĩte nĩ magakorwo magĩcokereria mĩtaratara-inĩ ya gũthiĩ na mbere na mĩrũrũngano.
The team urged the President to heed the cry of the common man and address the imminent issues affecting the country at the moment. The team has condemned the brutal killing of innocent Kenyans by the government. They wonder why the police are using more force on people who are not armed. The police must observe the law and adhere to it. Demonstrations are enshrined in the Kenyan Constitution, and the Constitution says under the Article 37 of Kenya's 2010 Constitution, every person has the right, peaceable and unarmed, to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to send petitions to public authorities.
In Kenya today, life is very unbearable, and we just tell to the President and the leadership of the country to take heed, to hear the calls of Kenyans who are really suffering, so that they can sit down with all stakeholders and see how the cost of living can be reduced. During the campaigns, the President pledged to reduce the cost of basic commodities like fuel, electricity, and many other things. But immediately he was sworn in, we are seeing the basic commodities increasing day after day. The President should come out and do something because Kenyans are suffering, and this is the concern of the church.
Wakati kama huu tunaona jinsi maisha imekuwa ngumu katika nchi yetu. Maafa imekuwa mingi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Watu wanauawa wasipokuwa na hatia. Kwa hivyo sisi kama wakina mama tunaomba rais wetu aweze akae chini na wale ambayo wanaweza kukaa pamoja ili Kenya wetu iweze ikaendelea mbele.
Tũcokereria aikari a gĩcigo gĩa Kangaita gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru nĩ matongirwo nĩ kĩmako na nĩ thutha wa maabitha a borithi gũkorwo kirikishiria nyumba ya mutumia umwe no ria uikaine ta Rose Gathoni makithina mbere na kumuikwira ati ni akoragwo kana thoguri ya urugi na wendia wa njohi ganani ni ikoretwo gitafanio mwena ucio ukuringana nao na mokana kuringana na ikaria ni mathiete na mbere na kugirika kuona ati witangiki na makiri uthukagia wa indo ni utafanirio hiria mugururi uyu ukumagithina mbere na kuga ati no muhaka mabitha borithi riria makoro magitafania miugururi yao gutigirira ati matina korwo magika ngero taino maya mukite riri bara ya gukorwo kana bara ya kuhurana na njohi ganani na makiria ya changa gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya yonekanite guthina mbere na kunyitithio thinga itemi-ini hiria munini wa president guthina mbere na kuhitana kuga ati mwaka njohi ino ganani ikorwo igitherwo kihonia.
Chief ana mbinu zote za kushika huyu mama kwa nyumba yake bila kumharibia vitu zozote vile. Kama chief anachukua rangi, paint, anamwaga kwa viti, anamwaga kwa vitanda ya watoto, anamwaga maji, kuna haki.
Shule nikikuja nikakuta askari wa chief hapa na dio, na nilikuta wakuwa wameharibu vitu zangu sana mingi kwa nyumba. Wameharibu washing machine, madirisha, TV, tanki ya maji na ceiling wakabomoa, na kwa vitu wakamwagilia rangi ya kupaka nyumba. Naomba serikali watusaidie juu hata kama ni pombe inamalizwa, hatuwezi malizwa pombe na kufinyiliwa na kuharibiwa ngo vitu. Kama ni makosa wamekushika naye wakupeleke wakustakie, lakini si kuharibia watu vitu. Serikali hata mimi siyuko kwa usalama juu kama hata kama ni mimi walikuta kunikuniwa wangeniwa kulingana na ile kitendo wamefanya kwa hii nyumba. Tunaomba serikali yenye imetumika ni kama nimeenda hasara kubwa sana kama 1300 kulingana na zile vitu zote wameharibu.
Hatujafurahia kusikia jirani yangu vile ameweza kutendewa hapa na kufanyiwa kitendo cha unyama. Mwanzo sio kitendo cha haki hata kidogo. Kwa hivyo tungeomba serikali mwapigana pombe haramu na ni mzuri, hata sisi wenyewe hatuitaki. Warakini acheni kuharibu mali za watu. Mnapoharibu vitu kama nyumba kama hii, amelala nje kwa baridi. Tafadhali kwa serikali, mnapopigana pombe za changa, acheni kuharibu mali za watu hata kidogo.
Brena atakirigari hona ni ate kwirwana na aria ni hamwe na muraya wa kuma bururi-ini wa Venezuela ya mukoretwo magithina Brena gucukirwo njuragano ya Olga Fonska na uria woragirwo mwaka-ini wa 2012 riu megukorwo magitungata kiho kia miaka 20 njera-ini ni itemi-ini kana matari itemi riria rirakinyanirio ni igoti rimwe kuria ihoya ria uria kugeria kurekererwo na mbiro rigakorwo rigithikiririo kuma mweri wa January mwaka ukite na kuria igoti rigakorwo rigiciria kana no rimaikiririe na bill.
Authority on the objectives of between threat and punishment bears most relevant influence in determining the crime doer. The court has to take circumstances of the offense, and the life was lost on the night of the 26th of July 2012. The deceased, who was then the Venezuelan ambassador to Kenya, was found murdered in our official residence in Runda Estate in Nairobi. At the conclusion of the trial, I found the 4 accused to be culpable of murder. Therefore, mandated to look at the circumstances of the case and take into account the mitigation by the accused and the objectives of sentencing as set out in the sentencing policy guidelines. Having taken all these factors into consideration, I sentence each accused as follows. First accused, Nduati is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Second accused, Ahmed Mujivani Omido, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Alex Sifuma Wanyi, third accused, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Fourth accused, Moses Kiprotich Kalia, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. The sentences shall be deemed to run from the 25th day of January 2023 being the date of their post-conviction custody. Each accused, as per law, has 14 days right of appeal to the Court of Appeal against both conviction and sentence.
Tekere umagoti nishira wajaki maribe na mdo wa kejuiro ngunuri kana na doria Mugomeko ile kuraga muhuri wi biashara ka muhuri wi gatuwa biashara no ri kaine tamoneke kimani egishugini hiki amani ko county na official wangu gutanye ugandikiririo tariki 3 kana 6 mweri wa 10 mwaka uyu turi wa 2023 itwalere yanite no mushirithania uri wikaine ta Grace Nzioka wakiri wa Jowini ugite ati mwena wa thitangoni urikitie kuheana uira muiganu guko nake mundu wikaine ta wakiri wa Maribe no ri wikaine tu Kigen kadakatwo Kigen na kiugate gutire wira wa DNA no le wonanĩtie ati Monica uru hamwe na mundu witu Maribe mari hamwe.
It is on record that she was not in communication and no one can actually say where she was for those 2 hours, those 3 hours, my lady. My lady, between 8 to midnight. My lady, we did a scene visit and we saw how close Citizen Headquarters, the alleged entertained bar restaurant that she said she was in, and Lumiria Gardens was. Nothing has been provided to this court to rebut.
Yes, it's mentioned. It's mentioned. Yes, because of time, but it's mentioned. Yes, my lady. Also, the issue of DNA on the shot, on the brown shot. What the prosecution produced in this court is a yellow.
Lady, there was no DNA relationship. There is no DNA connection that was attempted between the second accused and the deceased. No DNA connection. Number 3, my lady, there was no fingerprint relationship between the second accused and the deceased that was attempted. Number 4, my lady, there was no blood group association between the blood that was said to have been found at the premises of the deceased. There is no blood group relationship between the second accused and the deceased that was brought was advanced.
Beginning of the month of October. Okay. And I'll be suggesting that it take Friday when the court is not very busy. So let's look at our diaries. With the council.
Ona makiria kumakoria magoti-ini na gitio kinene ni gututwara kahinda-ini gaitu ka mbere guikiria ndenda twambe twikirie no tukio niturahunduka na riboti makiria koguo ndugetikire guthira mitambo guku ni kwa Muthingiti kana no kurokenia na ithuĩ kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, kuri mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV. Ũnginyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kũgerera namba itũ ya WhatsApp ni 0706847247. Atiri ganjire ho nituko tukimiamukira twikirie no niturahunduka.
Twe barabara-inĩ tũgĩtuĩkania ng'ongo na ng'ongo gũtigĩrĩra we mwĩroreri witũ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa ũmatho nĩ twakũrehera ũtaũkĩru thĩinĩ wa biacara. Ĩno nĩ tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa ũmatho ĩrĩa tũrĩkũrehagĩra mũthenya wa gatatũ kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 3 cia ũtukũ. Gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema. Nani ngĩkũrehera ngetwo Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari.
Kiroto kiumanite na Ngai gikoragwo gigĩa kũguna mũndũ kĩũmbe. Jesu nĩngwendete wewe wakwa.
Ikalawa ni kwiyumba kamwe na mumo wa Ngai na kubo ino ni kwenda mundu
Lord, I lift your name on high.
Shokeria mwerereri wa Muthingi TV gatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũrũmanĩrĩra na ithuĩ tũkũmenyithia marĩa marĩ kuo thĩinĩ rĩa rĩko ya mohoro. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie kũrugũria mũbango wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mahũra njeki na njĩra nene mbeũ njĩthĩ hamwe na atumia arĩa makoragwo marĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩyo. Mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũrugũrĩtio nĩ gavana wa kaunti ĩno Ibrahim Abdiguyo, nĩ ugĩte atĩ nĩ mũbango ũtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ũgĩteithĩrĩria na njĩra nene mbeũ njĩthĩ kana mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa matanyĩtwo gũkorwo makĩyaka. Oho nĩ ugĩte atĩ marĩ na hinya wa kĩmbeca na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makorwo makĩguna na gũtwarithia mĩtũrĩre yao na mbere ta ũrĩa magĩrĩire.
Sisi tulisema kazi yetu ni maendeleo, na kama wewe hutaki maendeleo, pole sana, tutakuini na nini na serious, ndio tumesema baada ya miaka 5 hii dunia lazima ifanye nini, ibadilike. Mimi naomba watu wa Isiolo kwa unyenyekevu, lazima tubadilishe culture, lazima tufanye nini. Sababu ya sisi kuleta hii miradi ya vijana wa mama, tunataka watu wajikimu kimai. Hata nikupatia shilingi 5,000 leo haitakusaidia, si ni kweli? Mimi nataka kuhakikisha tumepatia vijana wetu na kina mama nduano ya kuteka nini, si kweli? Ndio uweze kushughulikia watoto yako miaka ile yote unaishi. Na wale vijana ambaye tunawapatia fursa ya kuwapatia hii pikipiki, lokubuka hatukupatia ndio uende uuze. Hii pikipiki lokubuka tutaweka kwa county secretary akae nayo, ni yako, lakini siku ile utauza bahati yako mbaya, kwa sababu hiyo lokubuka tutaenda kunyang'anya huyo mtu pikipiki mwenye mumuzia.
Tunafanya kazi pamoja na viongozi wa huko juu, the president huko national level. Mambo ya tunasikia mambo, tuna support kwa upande wa usalama, tuko na support kwa upande ya maendeleo vile vile.
Na hatuwezi patia kila mtu leo, si ndio? Wale watakosa leo tutapanga programu yao, si ni kweli? Si ndio ya kwanza kufanyika Isiolo? Si watu wanafaa kushukuru?
Kwa majina naitwa Jafet Ng'olwe. I'm one of the beneficiary ya pikipiki. Tumeshukuru sana kwa gavana ile initiative amekuja naye.
Bana wa kaunti ya Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro ni njira nene ukungwira athaki aria mari na mawathe na aria manyitite mbitika cia mwanya na makiria kuria mbirini cia Olympic mwena wa Berlin. Mbitika ici na iria cia beach bowling wa Tunisia kuria tena gutigirira ati ni guteithiriria hari kura njeki ministry ya mathako kana ministry ya mathako kaunti-ini no ya Githii.
Asante sana.
Take this opportunity to really congratulate all of you, both the Special Olympics and the Tunisia team. And I want to assure you, one of our biggest programs at the moment as a county, yeah, and that's why you see also the CEC, tourism here, trade and cooperatives, Ngala. One of the biggest campaign tool we want to use now to revive tourism is sports. To move away from only beaches and people going on safari to now use sports and culture as one of our targeted areas. We are really seriously trying to develop a stadium. We had a very long meeting yesterday with the team of sports, and initially had really embarked on doing a really serious sports complex at the Pan University.
Governor, it is a great honor to be hosted by you this morning together with our athletes. I represent Special Olympics, and Special Olympics has been extremely active, or rather Kilifi County has been extremely active in Special Olympics. This is not the first time we are bringing medals to Kilifi, but this is the first time we have ever been recognized.
My name is Fiona Ndera, the team captain, Beach Handball Ladies. It's just to appreciate you and thank you for the efforts that you put towards sports. Thank you for honoring and owning handball and soccer and the Special Olympics. Thank you for owning sports in Kilifi.
Nairobi, that is a special
Thina berenia Timasi Chepkoech no uri nuthaki wa Datiru gwero gikundi kia Irene Foundation ni athigatete iritu gukorwo makihimbiria muthako uyu Masino ria wanyitire itemi mbitikaini cia Olympic cia wathi riu ni harikitie kuhoriki niguo kwamukira mathomo ma kwagirithia muthako uyu.
Mwino wapate.
The future for ladies like me. I was rescued through archery, through Irene. I'm seeing my future is going far, not only in terms of Olympic Games, but also in training and also in educational. I was affected by the educational. Our community is affected by poverty, female mutilation, and cultural wrestling. There is no time for studying. Sometimes it is giving us fear to go to school because it's not safe. But archery is chipping in to promote girls to use this sport not only in home, not to participate in those activities, but them to receive. I received.
The future of ladies participating in archery sport is very bright, because right now they are turning out in numbers. Before they used to be scared because they think, because of cultural thing, they think it is only men who can play the archery. But now they have realized that even ladies can play better than men even. So the numbers are coming out. So if we train them well, give them the right support, I'm very sure that in the near future we'll have world champions for our ladies archers in the world.
Kwa kweli hii mchezo utasaidia wasichana. Watu wa kijiji zetu wanatumia sana mshale kuua watu, lakini saa hii wakiendelea hivi wataendelea kuona mengi mbele, na tena wasichana watairifuka, hata wafanya kutairiwa tena.
Tha imwe cia hwaini wana cihanda wega nĩ ngũikarĩra gĩtĩ gĩkĩ rĩu thiĩ na mbere na kũmenyithia o ta ũrĩa bũrũri gũkorona kana ũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩriũnga na macio nĩmo marĩkuo thĩinĩ ĩrĩa ĩrĩkuo ya mohoro gũkũ nĩkuo Mũthingi TV rĩakwa nĩ Kariuki wa Nduati.